Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Honda 1.8 R18 engine, primarily known as the R18A or R18Z series, is a 1.8-liter naturally aspirated, single overhead camshaft, SHC, inline-4 engine. It was a staple in many Honda models, particularly the 8th and 9th generation Civics, and was designed to offer a balance of efficiency, smooth power delivery, and reliability. Its unique I-Vtec system aimed to improve fuel economy during light load cruising. Review and opinions. The R18 engine generally garners a reputation for being reliable and economical, but less for its spirited performance. Character. It's a smooth and relatively quiet engine, particularly at lower RPMs and cruising speeds. It feels refined for daily commuting and relaxed driving. Performance, with power output typically ranging from 138 to 143 horsepower and around 174 newton-meters of torque, it provides adequate power for most everyday driving situations. It's not a performance engine like Honda's K-Series, and some drivers might find it lacks the immediate punch of smaller turbocharged engines or the top-end excitement of traditional VTEC engines. To get significant acceleration, you need to rev it higher, but it doesn't reward hard revving with a dramatic power surge. Driving experience. The power delivery is linear and predictable, making it easy to drive smoothly in traffic. When paired with a manual transmission, it can still be engaging due to Honda's generally excellent gearbox feel. With an automatic, especially the earlier 5-speed automatics, it's more geared towards comfortable cruising. Refinement. Good overall, with minimal vibration and noise unless pushed aggressively. Advantages. Exceptional reliability. This is arguably the R18's biggest strength. These engines are known for their robust construction and can easily achieve very high mileage, 200,000 plus miles / 320,000 plus km, with proper maintenance. Many owners report trouble-free ownership for years. Timing chain. The R18 utilizes a timing chain, which is designed to last the life of the engine. This eliminates the need for costly timing belt replacements, reducing long-term maintenance expenses. Good fuel economy for its class, thanks to its innovative I-Vtec system, which optimizes valve timing for reduced pumping losses during cruising. The R18 can deliver impressive fuel efficiency for a naturally aspirated 1.8-liter engine. Simplicity. Being naturally aspirated, it avoids the complexities and potential failure points of turbochargers, intercoolers, and associated plumbing. This often translates to fewer things that can go wrong. Smooth power delivery. The linear power band makes for predictable and comfortable driving, especially in urban environments. Disadvantages. Lack of performance/excitement. For enthusiasts or those used to more powerful engines, the R18 can feel uninspiring. It doesn't offer the low-end torque of turbocharged engines or the high-revving thrill of classic VTEC. Engine block cracking specific models / years a significant disadvantage for some early 8th generation Civic models, 2006 to 2009, in certain markets, notably North America, was a known issue with cracked engine blocks. This defect would lead to coolant leaks and potential engine damage. Honda did offer an extended warranty for 10 years on these affected vehicles, and most should have been rectified by now. It's important to check service history or VIN for affected vehicles. Noise when pushed. While generally refined, the engine can become buzzy and less pleasant when revved hard to extract maximum power. Sensitivity to fuel quality. Some anecdotal reports suggest a slight improvement in smoothness or power with higher octane fuel, though the engine is designed for regular unleaded. Faults and breakdowns. Beyond the well-documented cracked engine block issue in specific early 8th Gen Civics, which was a manufacturing defect and subject to an extended warranty/recall, the R18 is remarkably reliable. Common issues are generally minor and typical of any high-mileage engine. VTEC solenoid leaks. Oil leaks from the VTEC solenoid gasket or O-rings are relatively common at higher mileage. This is a simple and inexpensive fix. Engine mount wear. Normal wear and tear on engine mounts can lead to increased vibration transmitted into the cabin, especially at idle or under load. Accessory belt tensioner/pulley issues can cause squeaks or rattles and eventually lead to belt failure if neglected. Minor oil leaks. With high mileage, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, or other seals may start to weep oil. Ignition coil/spark plug issues. Common wear items that can cause misfires if not replaced as part of regular maintenance. Fuel consumption. The R18 engine's fuel efficiency was one of its selling points. Official figures for a Honda Civic with the 1.8 R18 engine, e.g., 8th or 9th gen, official combined figures often range from 6.5 to 8.5 L/100 km, around 28 to 36 miles per gallon imperial, depending on the specific model, transmission, and market. Real-world data. Mixed driving. Owners typically report averages in the range of 7.0 to 9.0 L/100 km, 31 to 40 miles per gallon imperial. Highway driving. Where its I-Vtec system is most effective, it can achieve excellent figures, often 6.0 to 7.0 L/100 km, 40 to 47 miles per gallon imperial. Urban driving will be higher, generally in the 9.0 to 11.0 L/100 km, 25 to 31 miles per gallon imperial range, as the economy VTEC mode is less active. Timing. The Honda R18 engine uses a timing chain. This is a significant reliability advantage, as timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine with proper lubrication and do not require periodic replacement like timing belts. Oil type. Honda generally recommends 0W, 20 or 5W, 20 synthetic or synthetic blend engine oil, meeting API-SN or later specifications, particularly for newer versions. For older models or specific climates, 5W, 30 might also be recommended. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact specification. Capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 3.7 to 4.3 liters, approximately 3.9 to 4.5 U.S. quarts, with a filter change depending on the specific R18 variant and vehicle model. Maintenance. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial for the longevity of the timing chain and overall engine health. Adhering to Honda's maintenance minder system or traditional intervals, e.g., every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers or once a year, with high-quality oil is recommended. Versions and history. The R18 engine is part of Honda's R-Series engine family, which prioritize packaging efficiency and fuel economy. Engine codes. The most common variants are R18A1, R18A2, R18Z1, R18Z4, among others. These variations usually signify minor differences in power output, emission standards, and the specific vehicle applications or regional markets they were designed for. Introduction. The R18 engine was introduced with the 8th generation Honda Civic globally, starting around 2005 to 2006. Key features. SHC, single overhead camshaft, 16-valve, a more compact and lighter design than DOHC engines. I-VTEC for economy. The VTEC system in the R18 is distinct. Instead of switching to a high-lift cam for power, it switches to a more efficient, delayed intake valve closing, Atkinson cycle-like, cam profile under light load conditions, cruising to reduce pumping losses and improve fuel economy. Under heavier loads, it reverts to a conventional cam profile for more power. Aluminum block and head contributes to lighter weight. Variable length intake manifold helps optimize torque across the RPM range. Applications. The R18 engine was widely used in several Honda models, primarily as a standard engine option. Honda Civic, 8th and 9th generation, this was its primary application in many markets, including North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Honda HR-V/Vezel, 1st and 2nd generation, used in some markets for the compact SUV. Honda Stream, MPV, a popular choice for this compact minivan in certain Asian markets. Honda FR-V/E-Tec. MPV also used in this multi-purpose vehicle. The Honda 1.8 R18 engine stands out as a highly dependable and fuel-efficient naturally aspirated engine, perfectly suited for everyday driving. While it may not excite with raw power, its strong reliability record and low running costs make it a very practical and popular choice for many Honda owners. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.